Modern aerospace engineering involves navigating an enormous parameter space. To design a viable aircraft, engineers explore millions of specific combinations across wing shape, internal structural configuration, and material selection. Historically, finding the safest and most efficient combination of those variables required years of iterative drafting, testing, and refinement. The central bottleneck in this process is the time cost of physics. Traditional computational simulation and physical wind tunnel tests take significant amounts of time for every single design iteration. Because of that time cost, testing every possible combination of variables using conventional methods is mathematically impractical. Artificial intelligence compresses this timeline by acting as a high-speed filtration layer that supplements traditional physics-based simulation. By rapidly screening out unviable configurations in a digital environment, the technology identifies failures before physical materials are ever cut. To traverse this parameter space faster than human drafting allows, engineers deploy machine learning models. In this new workflow, thousands of wireframe wing shapes enter a funnel, pass through a machine learning layer, and output a handful of viable candidates. This neural network evaluates designs in days, a process requiring years using traditional loops. Because the top of this funnel is now so wide, engineers can explore unconventional permutations they wouldn't normally have the time or budget to draft annually. Once the AI identifies the most promising candidates, only those specific shapes move forward to physical prototyping. This AI-augmented approach to virtual testing does not eliminate physical test campaigns. Instead, it makes them significantly more targeted. By focusing expensive physical tests strictly on these AI-vetted optimums, aerospace companies lower overall development costs and accelerate their time to market. We can observe exactly how this data filtration works by looking at the exterior aerodynamics of the wing and fuselage. Aerodynamic performance is typically evaluated using computational fluid dynamics, or CFD, a process with an exceptionally high computational cost. To simulate airflow, traditional physics-based CFD must calculate equations point by point across millions of individual cells in a complex grid. This split-screen comparison highlights the ML integration. On the left, a traditional CFD mesh slowly calculates that intricate grid. On the right, a neural network instantly outputs a complete pressure heat map, cycling through dozens of wing variations in fractions of a second. While this instantaneous prediction is not precise enough to serve as a replacement for final safety certification, it is accurate for rapid initial screening. Engineers rely on these models to filter out poor aerodynamic profiles early, committing to detailed physics simulations only for the most promising shapes. By bypassing the computational bottleneck of fluid dynamics, ML-accelerated models enable a broader search for the perfect aerodynamic shape. Moving inward from the skin of the aircraft, this same optimization process is applied to the internal structural integrity of the fuselage and its support brackets. Here, we see generative design in action, as a heavy, solid metal bracket dissolves and reforms into an organic, skeletal structure. This applies the concept of topology optimization. Algorithms automatically carve away excess material to generate shapes that satisfy strictly specified strength and weight constraints. In aerospace engineering, shedding every possible ounce is critical, as weight dictates total fuel burn over the lifespan of an aircraft. Just as machine learning accelerates aerodynamic screening, AI-powered structural analysis accelerates the standard finite element analysis process. The models evaluate exactly how these proposed, highly complex internal structures perform under the various mechanical loads they will experience in flight. However, a mathematically theoretical optimum is useless if it cannot be physically built in a factory. Modern AI tools incorporate manufacturability considerations into the optimization process. When a manufacturability constraint is applied to this diagram, the extreme internal curves snap into standard, machinable geometries that can be efficiently produced. Once produced, computer vision systems on the manufacturing floor detect defects in these complex assemblies faster than manual human inspection. Structural AI reduces aircraft weight while ensuring the resulting designs bridge the gap between mathematical theory and buildable reality. The application of this technology continues long after the engineering design phase concludes. Once deployed into commercial flight, AI transforms daily aircraft operations. Machine learning models analyze weather patterns and air traffic to optimize flight paths across an airline's entire route network. Adjusting these routes in real time yields reductions in both fuel consumption and total emissions. Returning focus directly to the hardware, AI models connected to the aircraft's engines execute predictive maintenance. Looking at this engine's data output, the machine learning model analyzes sensor readings. When the data stream hits a specific historical pattern, the system anticipates a component failure and triggers an alert before the line reaches a catastrophic peak. By anticipating failures before they cause delays, industry estimates suggest AI-driven predictive maintenance can reduce unscheduled maintenance events by roughly 30%. Through operational AI, the modern aircraft operates as a continuously learning system, improving airline reliability. Every one of these predictive and generative capabilities relies on a single underlying foundation: data. Training an effective AI model requires substantial volumes of consistent, well-documented historical design and test data. Because of this dependency, aerospace companies view their proprietary test data as a strategic competitive asset, essential for training more capable internal design tools. This reliance on data and algorithms has shifted the daily labor of aerospace engineering. Humans no longer manually generate every candidate design from scratch. Instead, the engineer's role now focuses on curating boundary conditions and validating the multitude of options generated by the AI. Human engineering judgment remains necessary to verify that these AI-generated designs account for safety certification requirements and long-term physical durability. Artificial intelligence elevates the aerospace engineer from a manual draftsman to a high-level decision-maker who manages algorithms. Digital design tools integrate these AI capabilities into standard aerospace software, making advanced optimization accessible to a broader range of engineers. By screening massive parameter spaces and anticipating operational failures, AI-driven simulation compresses development timelines, while yielding more optimized designs than traditional methods alone. As this aircraft transitions from a physical object into a continuous digital model, we see the complete convergence of this data pipeline. In our next episode, we will explore how this continuous flow of data creates the digital twin and the digital thread.